In this video I will show you various methods to check the current permissions on a folder on Windows operating system. First of all, let's look at Graphical method. For this, right-click on folder whose permission you want to see. Then click on Properties. File property will open. Next, go to Security tab. Under Group or Usernames, you will see the users, groups that have permissions. Click on each of them and just below you can see which type of permission it has. You can see Administrator DOS PC has full control, read, write, list contents etc. permission. You can see some of them do not have full control permission. Now let's look command line ways to check folder permission. For this, open command prompt on your computer. Then use cacls command as shown here. Now copy the folder content path and paste it inside command prompt within quotations marks as shown here. You can see various types of permission for each group and usernames. Now let's look what does this each permission trying to say. You can see what does each permission means. F for full control over the folder, that is you can add, edit, view content, execute the folder content. R means read permission. This allows users to view the folder's contents but not make changes or execute files. M means modify permission. This grants permission to view, edit, create, rename, and delete files or subfolders. RX permission means read and write permission. This enables viewing the contents and executing files within the folder. IF permission is inherited permission with full control. This indicates that the permission is inherited from a parent folder and grants full control over the folder and its contents. In this way we can check current permissions of folder in Windows operating system. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.